Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group and you are watching to the Market Watch review. The large equity markets of the Asia-Pacific region traded higher today, with the exception of India, Taiwan, Japan, and India. Today's rise in Europe's Stoxx 600 has been steady. It will rise for the fourth time in succession, and the longest since May. The U.S. futures are slightly below water. The U.S. dollar is generally more stable. The exception is the yen, which is between a flat and slightly higher among the majors. The Central European currencies are falling due to the pressure on the euro. The gold price is currently at $1,720. September WTI is now up 1.8%, having rallied 2.1% yesterday to snap the three-day slide. Asian Pacific market. China may be shifting away from its zero-COVID policies to make it less disruptive. Local authorities are reportedly telling 100 of Shenzhen's largest businesses to limit operations to employees who live in closed loops with few contacts to people outside their offices or plant. Over the weekend, 2 new members joined Bank of Japan. This was after Suzuki and Kadokawa's 5-year terms expired. According to some accounts, the new appointments could indicate that the yield curve control has been modified. The greenback is within a narrow range, less than a quarter of a yen on either end of JPY 136.50. The Australian dollar is in danger of reversing the downtrend that began with the highs of April and June. In early Asia-Pacific activity, it reached $0.6985. Market of Europe. The bears were increasing their short positions in the futures market ahead of last week's ECB meeting. As of Tuesday, the gross short position had risen to 238,600. This is the largest short position since COVID's early days. The ECB surprise 50 BP increase was the euro's most recent peak. It was close to $1.0280. The euro was not above 1.0260 in the 3 subsequent sessions, including today. There has been very little downside. Russia has reduced Nord Stream 1 by about half its capacity, which was already 40%. Moscow blames the shortage of turbines that can pump the gas. The natural gas prices continue to rise, and there is concern about a total shutdown. Sterling edged slightly higher today, hitting $1.2090, its highest level since July 5. But sterling is offering a new offer as the momentum is waning. Market of America. Expect soft macroeconomic data. The S&P CoreLogic cased Shiller measure for house prices could have slowed for the second consecutive month. After the 10.7% increase in May, new home sales are expected to slow down in June. The Canadian dollar is rising against the US dollar as risk appetites decrease. Today, it was at CAD 1.2815. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.